This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your Android phone to Google Drive. So you can do this very easily. Just go to settings right here. Locate Google Services. So we can find Google Services right here. Tap this. Then we go to where it says All Services on the top. Going down. There should be an option for backup under here. So we just have to scroll on down. Here's backup and restore. Go to backup. And we can turn on the backup right here. And we can decide what we want to back up. Photos, videos, other devices. So a lot of times I just turn off photos and videos and go to confirm. And this will back it up to your Google account. And the reason I do that is I think there's only like a 15 gigabyte limit for photos and videos. So you're going to be taking a lot of photos and you're going to hit that limit, and then you're going to get a lot of spam emails from Google to go ahead and purchase additional storage. So I just turned that off. But it's going to back up like my messages and stuff, my text, etc. And you can go into here and turn this on too if you really want. You can allow all. And then we can turn on the backup right here. It looks like we do have 15 gigabytes on there. And then we have to go in there and manage everything if we want to go ahead and delete those. So a lot of times I just turn it off for photos and videos. But it should be backed up now. So if you ever lose your phone or something like that, you still have those messages and stuff on here. So you can look at what's backing up. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.